This is PavoTube II, a second iteration of really cool light from Nanlite, and this is a 15x version. They have two more versions, 30x and 16x. The difference is only in the length of the light. So these lights are made for videographers, but you can also use for photography. See this photo here on the screen? This is a photo that I made using these lights. I lighten up the skull using RGB modes of these lights and then put everything into Photoshop combined in this really cool photo manipulation. So the possibilities are endless. This is the kit that I got here from Nanlite. It includes two of these lights. So we have two of 15x PavoTube second generation lights. We have really cool carrying case, great quality bag that you get in the kit with separate compartments for the light and for the chargers and cables, so everything is really nice and compact and safe for carrying around with you. These lights are made in combination of metal and high quality plastic. The back part of the light is made of aluminum and the design is amazing. It's new and improved design. Also the end parts of the lights are now hexagonal, so that means that you can really easily put them on a flat surface and position them however you want. Also, because they have a flat surface at the top and the bottom, you can put them on the table or any other flat surface and use it like that. Beside that, they have two 1/4 20 mounting points. So one is at the bottom and one at the bottom side here. So you can use that to position the light vertically or horizontally. Also for horizontal use, you have really cool clip included, so you can mount the light easily horizontally. The light quality of these lights are also improved. CRI index is 97 and TLCI index is 98, so that means that you can really rely on the light quality for your professional work. These PavoTube lights support several different modes. One of them is CCT, changeable color temperature mode, and the color temperature goes from 2700 kelvins all the way up to 12,000 kelvins. And also is dimmable from 0 to 100% in increments of 1%, so you can really precisely nail the output power. Also, there is green magenta tint correction from plus minus 100, so you can also nail that and match the light perfectly to other lights in your environment. Next mode is Hsl Mode Hue, Saturation, Luminance, and you can change the hue, desaturation and luminance of the light really easily, either by changing here on the light itself or using a mobile app and control the settings there, which is even more convenient. At least for me, it's really simple and easy to do it. There are also 15 different effects built in this light. I will not go through all of them, but some of them are like lightning effect, TV effect, also some police type of effect, and so on and so forth. You can check the list on the Nanlite website, but it's really convenient to use this effect through the mobile app. But there is a new thing, it's called pixel effect. It's a brand new to PavoTube series. It's used pixel mapping to create some really cool effects. There are a bunch of cool effects that you can create using this new pixel mapping technology, and one of them is, for example, to create an illusion that the car is passing by the street lights or the person is going up and down in the elevator, and much more. The PavoTube second generation also supports DMX setup with DMX connection at the bottom of the light. You can charge the light and at the same time use it indefinitely, especially if your light is stationary. Another cool thing that they built in this second iteration of PavoTube light is the on-off switch that is now on the front panel of the light, and also USB Type-C. With that you can easily upgrade the firmware. Another amazing feature here is that we can use the camera option in the app and point to any color on any object and just sample that color as a light color. So for example, I want this purplish magenta color, say done, and here we have it on the light. It's really handy. So overall, I really love this light, and also the battery will last pretty long, and you have the battery indicator on the front panel of the light, which will show you the battery life in hours depending on the settings you are. So if you're on lower brightness settings, it will show you obviously the more time that you can use the light. If you're on a max, it will show you less. I don't have any kind of negatives to say about the light. I really love them. If you want to see more about the light, more settings, more specs, check out the link down there in the description, and also if you want to purchase it, check the links down there in the description. Right guys, see you in my next video. Bye bye.